So I decided to make melon mint cocktails, but very confusingly when you look at the start of the cocktail section, it talks about how they loosen tongues, that you could add alcohol to them if you want, and yet there's things like sauerkraut cocktail, clam juice cocktail. I mean, these just sound disgusting. There's things like oyster or clam cocktail, there's a shrimp cocktail, there's a fresh crab cocktail, so I'm really not sure if these are foods or drinks or a mixture, because a lot of these are supposed to go into cocktail glasses. So anyway, this is the one I'm making today. So for this you need half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of mint. So I used a mix of what I think is called Korean mint, it has an almost aniseedy taste, and then what I'm going to call normal mint, again I'm not entirely sure of the name. And then I didn't have an orange, so I used 2 limes and a lemon for the juice. And then I had a cantaloupe melon for the melon balls. So you start by making your simple syrup, which you do by mixing the water and sugar together and boiling them together for 5 minutes. Then you chop up your mint finely and put it into a bowl ready for the simple syrup to be poured over it. So once your simple syrup is clear and it's been boiling for 5 minutes, you add it to the mint and then let it cool. Once the syrup had had time to cool, I added ice to a cocktail shaker and then juiced my citrus fruits. Then I strained the syrup to remove the mint leaves. Then I made melon balls the best I could, as I don't have a melon ball scooper. Shut together the cocktail ingredients, added them to my cocktail glass with a sprig of mint and the melon balls. I'm still not entirely sure if I'm supposed to drink this with a straw or eat it with a spoon, but it was very nice.